Time. Oh, wow. Time. Sorry, I'm not sick or anything. My throat's a little raspy. Rubber burns, you know. Time. What? Wait. Before we get to this. Gates. Why do we have them? Who knows? Bill Gates. Why do we have him? Bigger question. Time. What is it? Why do we have it? Well, time, as you know, or maybe you don't, is just a measurement of change. If nothing changed, there would be no time. Interesting questions, but not what we're covering today. Actually, we're gonna time how long this battery lasts on this thing. Something I've yet to do, really. You know, it's like, how long does the battery last? Well, so far, obviously for me, it lasts long enough. Long enough, yes. So we're going to start a stopwatch as I take off. I'm going to do many magnificent maneuvers, fly around. I have my flying gear on, and we'll see how long, how much change will be inflicted, time being a measurement of change, as I fly before the time change continuum inside of the quad runs out. Alright, well, here we are on the scaly ground. Scaly ground that's known as my backyard. Paradise or desert. Taking off now, we're flying. I have the copter currently at next to full speed. There's 1, 2, 3. There's 5 speeds actually on this one. You have low, a little bit faster than low, fast, really fast, and then you have ludicrous fast. Hit it that 5th time and the lights flash and it goes pretty good. But right here it was just on regular, really fast, not ludicrous fast. And so that's why how you know how many I don't know how many what? No, not how many, how much power is going to the propellers, how fast it's going, so you have a relative idea of what it might be if you went on a lower speed. I don't know, what would you get out of that? A minute? I don't know, maybe I should test it. Maybe not. Maybe, you know, there's just too much emphasis on time, and you never know. Oh, sorry, just having a Geritol moment there, an old man incident of lack of balance. All right. So we are flying around. We're having some fun, a good time. Well, let's see then. What should we really be doing here?
Bunax, I'm your father.
Oh, no.
Oh, stop it, floating Darth Vader head of doom. How could you be his father? You're just a floating head, piece of plastic. You're just sitting there floating. You do nothing. You take up space, collect dust.
Guys, wait.
And you're just a stupid plastic toy from the 60s.
Really, there's no need to... No, please.
Big Lou, say hello to my little friend.
Oh, not that thing. It's not anybody's friend.
Oh, stop it. I'm not even afraid of your little friend. Because everyone knows you have no friends. And if you did, I would fart in his general direction.
Don't tempt him.
All right, now, you're gonna get it, you stupid robot plastic toy thing. Whee! Booger. Whee! Hemorrhoid. Whee! Chocolate.
River.
Okay, That's enough. I will start using doggy powers for interrupting our show.
Okay, hopefully everything will be fine now, and we can continue being serious about testing time, testing. No, we're testing battery power actually. Time is relatively consistent as long as we stay on the same frequency. Otherwise, it could change. And the amount of change that changes tells you how the time changes. And man, we're going fast there, aren't we? That's high speed. I think the wind was blowing that way, and a little bit of jiggle in the video, and FPV, because it doesn't record on the camera itself on the drone. It records to your phone whatever gets transmitted there. So that's what can kind of make it a little bit choppy when you get far away. And boy, I'll tell you what, I love these photos, these videos flying around. It's just really cool. And you put your VR goggles on, and you're there, man. You're there. You feel truly superior. Yeah, and I could use all that I can, because I know how inferior you can feel, or how much of the interior you could feel, which, I love feeling the interior. Okay, and that's another subject for another day. Yeah, the desert looks about the same as it did last time we took a look at it. It's very, very desert-like, and makes you realize that it's a good thing to have places to visit, places to go, and then places to get away, like the desert. And sit in dirt. Sitting in dirt can be a lot of fun. Very many parts are edible, as Yul Gibbons would say. I remember that guy used to come on for TV commercial, and he's like, "Hi there, I'm Yul Gibbons. Ever ate a pine tree? Many parts are edible." And I used to wait for him to want to come on and say, "Hey, hi there, I'm Yul Gibbons. Ever ate a mailbox? Ever ate freaking ever ate your lawn? Dirt, whatever." Okay, back to the drone testing. I brought it down some a little bit here. Thought we'd try a little bit of different than just full on flying around in circles. Try some slower controlled maneuvers. And I thought it would be great to see if I could just get a shot of this very picturesque bag of trash that's laying by the bush. There it is. There it is. Yeah, eat your heart out. No time to lose, Lautrec. Get no time to lose, Lautrec. Hilarious. I know, I'm so funny looking. Well, that's okay. I have all plexiglass mirrors now, so they don't smash into my face as they crack. Dirt road. I don't know if any of you ever seen that before, but that is a dirt road. And here's the oasis. That is Blood Axe. The Shire of Blood Axe, yes. Okay, so here we go. We were able to get 3 more minutes. So 9 and 3, 12, which is kind of what the advertised price, the advertised amount of change that is measured in the amount of time that we're flying. So 12 minutes of change happened. Excellent. Wonderful scientific test, thought out and seriously proven by scientific methods. And now we can officially say that we're like out of order, man. Time to get out of order. That's right. The time is out. So, class and fellow Bloodaxians, what have we discovered today? Well, we've delved into a science and an understanding of nature around us that ancient man couldn't even fathom. But he really didn't need to. Itch, nose itch, right there, nostril. Nostradamus did not predict that. Um, but he didn't need to worry about it because he was too busy having food, fire, and fun. But we do because although we have all of that stuff, I guess we get bored really easy or something. So we fly drones like crazy. No, we've discovered that we get all the way until it drops out of power and lands, which landed pretty quickly. I would have a feeling that if you were up in the sky that far and pushed it, would not be advisable. It would probably be a bad ending. Something would break. Something. So 9 minutes actual real flight time. 3 minutes from when the battery starts sending the flash. I guess the battery doesn't send it. It sends the electricity, and the circuit board sends the flash. There we go. For those of you who would like to correct me. And actually, for those of you, oh look, there's a spider, little teeny spider on there. Isn't that cute? And actually, for those of you who want to correct me, just give up. People have tried for forever, and I won't take correction. Okay, that's it for this episode of Blood Axe Basics. Fellow Blood Axians, thank you, and remember, don't drink and drone. God bless America. We'll see you next time.